Little storyteller.
A little cloud named Nimbus was very happy. He loved to float in the sunny blue sky. Nimbus was a fluffy white cloud, like a giant cotton ball. One sunny morning, Nimbus floated over a very colorful place. It was a candy factory. Pink and yellow and blue smoke puffed out of its tall chimneys. The air smelled sweet like strawberries and bananas and grapes. Suddenly, Nimbus felt a tickle. Then little colorful things started to fall from him. They were tiny Lego bricks, but they looked and smelled like yummy fruit. There were red ones like juicy strawberries, yellow ones like sweet bananas, and green ones like crunchy apples. Down below, in a sunny green park, a little girl named Lily was playing with her teddy bear, Barnaby. Lily had bright pink shoes and a big smile. Barnaby was a fluffy brown bear with one button eye missing. Suddenly, colorful little blocks started to fall all around them. "Wow," said Lily. She picked up a red brick. It smelled like strawberries. She carefully took a tiny bite. Mmm, yummy. Barnaby tried a yellow one. His button eyes seemed to smile. Lily and Barnaby started to build. They built a colorful tower with the yummy bricks. Red strawberries on the bottom, yellow bananas in the middle, and green apples on top. It was the tastiest tower ever. Other children came to the park and saw the raining bricks. They were very surprised and happy. Soon everyone was building and eating their own yummy creations. A little boy built a blue raspberry car, and two friends built a big orange castle. Nimbus the cloud floated happily above, watching everyone play. He learned that even a little cloud could bring joy to others in a sweet and surprising way. It's fun to share happiness.
Please subscribe. Thank you.